They normalize cheating. They normalize disrespecting women or sleeping with different women. Yan ang sikreto ng mga successful na tao. Sa panahon ngayon, men are aware na hindi tama yung mga nakasanayan nilang gawin, na they normalize cheating, they normalize disrespecting women or sleeping with different women. Parang nowadays, men are hustlers because of the social media na nakikita natin na hustle society. If you want to succeed in life, one woman ka lang dapat. Yan ang sikreto ng mga successful na tao. Because if you have so many women, yung energy mo nahahati sa iba't ibang babae. Kaya one woman lang dapat. But I think that's the reason why. Because of men, yung mga high value men or yung mga successful men, they're sharing their experience. At nagiging aware na dito yung younger men.
Yeah, yeah.